You're welcome viewers to this channel. This is Davisa Computer Training Institute tutorial channel where we teach you how to operate the computer programs, especially on the desktop publishing and data processing programs. We will be teaching how to operate Microsoft Word today. Don't forget to subscribe, to click on the subscription button or click the bell notification button to get notified whenever we drop any of our tutorial videos. And don't forget that the subscription is free. Then you're also allowed to comment on the comment session, ask any question, and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Now, quickly, let us go into today's topic, which is Microsoft Word. Now, if you want to protect this work, we call it passwording. I want to protect with password. How do you protect this work? Remember, anyone can come into your can make use of the computer, can retrieve a file, okay, and if it's a sensitive file, you're supposed to protect it. So I use password to protect most of my files. So how do you use password to protect your file? Go to file, click on save or save as, since you've saved before now. Okay, now select the directory you want. Let me say desktop, and this is it. I'll type the name I want. But this time around, I will click on this tool down here. Just follow the mouse, click on this tool and select general options. Okay, general options. Now it will tell you password to open. Type in the password. Maybe I want to use banana 2 as I want to use it as my password. It will ask you to type it again under the password to modify. I will say banana 2. You click on OK. It will still ask you to re-enter the password to open. You type the same banana 2. You click on OK. It asks you to re-enter the password. You type banana 4 times. Banana 2. You click on OK, and you click on save. When you click on save, it will tell you that you have to overwrite the first one you saved. Okay, if that didn't come out, you're good to go. So this is what you have. So if for any reason, remember text, you close this work, let's say close, and you open the work again, let's say this, and decide to open the same work you opened before now. Okay, let's say open, and looking for what formatting a text. You click on formatting the text. It will ask you to type in the same password you're using saving the work initially. So you have to type the same password. Remember, it's case sensitive. Okay, banana 2. What I mean by case sensitive, if you have typed your password with a capital letter, you're supposed to type it again when you want to open the document with the same capital letter. If you typed it with a small letter, okay, that's lowercase, you're supposed to type your password with a lowercase when you want to open the document, the same document. All right, so it's case sensitive. So you click on OK. It will assume, okay, this, you can see the password is incorrect, so it won't open until you type in the correct password. Okay, so let's go back and open it. Banana 2. Okay, it's asking me to type it again. Okay, let's guess I was lucky the first time, so let me type it again. Banana 2. So that's what I have, and this is my work. So that is how to password and to open your work, your passworded work. So that has been taught. Thank you. So let's go to prevention. You want to remove your password. Okay, how do you remove your password, the created password? Go to the same file. Okay, this time around you click on open. Okay, locate the file itself. Okay, sorry, click on file, select save as, go to where you save the work initially. When you go to general option, you see the password, delete it, click again and delete, then click on OK and click on save. To ask you, do you want to replace the existing file, say yes, okay, and automatically the password has been removed. So if you close it and open it again, it will open without asking you to insert the password. So that's how to delete or to remove password. Header and footer. Now remember, there are, in some documents you will see the same text appearing in all of the pages of a document. Okay, let's say the same text appearing at the top or at the bottom of all of the pages of a document. Now, how do we create that? You can actually go to insert, okay, and select your header, and that is it. Select the format you want here. Okay, I want this other format, this one. Okay, and automatically it will allow me type in at the header. So let me say Davisa Computer Training Institute. So that is what I have. Okay, when I'm done, I can as well double click on the body of the document. Okay, you can make your changes, you can format your text, you can change it to the way you want, but I'm okay with that. So I'll double click on the body of my document, which is Fenty right now. Double click on it. You can see I have the Davisa Computer Training Institute at the top of this first page. So if I go to the next page, let me enter, let me create a second page. You see automatically that header will be created for me. If I go to the next, let me create the third page, that same text will appear at the header, okay, at the head part of the page, you see. So that is how to create your header. How do you create your footer? Footer is what appears at the bottom of the page. Same way, you can go to insert and select footer. Okay, that's it here. Then select the pattern you want. I think I want this. Okay, automatically I can type my phone number there. Okay, okay, +234 80 3442 3219. All right, so if I double click on the body of the document, okay, you can see the phone number is appearing in all of the pages of my document. You understand? So that is what we call the footer, the same text that appears at the bottom of every page of a document. All right, having said that, how do we number our page? Please, I advise, whenever you have more than 2 pages, do number. Okay, I said there's a strict rule, or there's a strict modality not to.
If you come here as I'm specifying, you will even be the one to invite others. We have enough equipment here that will help you, that will bring out the best in you.
I hope these people are good. Stay come and see for yourself. And I went, and what I saw was wow. Computer engineering, networking, audiovisual, and other courses like desktop publishing and data processing.
And I came to Davisa. I registered, and truly, Davisa is so great. It's wonderful. I wish you're here with me.
The teachers are friendly. They easily impact into me, and I've learned a lot and other things that I never knew I could do. With Davisa, computer is made easy. So I invite every one of you listening to me to come here. The experience is going to be a memorable one.
Come and see for yourself. Come and be part of the computer training. You're highly welcome.
How do you number a page? Go to insert still, click on page number. Okay, you can select top. Okay, so when you click on the top, you have options to place the number either at the left side, at the right side, at the center, okay, or on the margin. So I want it to be at the bottom, and I want it to be at the bottom right. I choose this. So automatically you can see number 3. Okay, go up, click on the bottom, go up, you see number 2, go up, you see number 1. Okay, so my as far as I'm still typing, the header, the footer, and the numbering will be coming up automatically. Okay, so that is how to number your pages, and that is how to create header and footer. Thank you very much for being with me. So if you have any question, I would like you to drop your question at the comment section of this video. Okay, so if you want to insert, let's say, a picture, a graph, or whatever you want to insert, please go to insert button. You have pictures here. You can as well select any of the pictures you want to go to the go to where the picture is, click on it and click on insert, and you have your picture or like inserted. You can also insert other objects, okay, by clicking on shapes, okay. Let's insert things like what do I insert? Just insert heart. So you draw it. You can as well click on your format and choose the color you wish. Okay. Okay, I want this. See that. So that's how to insert objects. You can also insert graph. Just click on chart, insert chart, and you select the type or the look you want. You can select a pie chart. You can select the chart. Okay, you click on OK. It will redirect you to where you end to make the analysis of the chart. So you click on, let's say men has let's say 50. Say women, let's say 40. Let's see boys, 4, and girls 6. So that's what we want. You just have to close or finish entering, you close it, and that's what we have on our chart. Okay, that's how this works. Okay, that's it here. See, men, half of it, women, girls and boys. So that's how to create your chart, whether the pie chart or the graph. All right, now how do you increase the line spacing? Okay, we say line spacing. Okay, how do you increase line spacing? We're talking of line spacing. So you block the text, let's say the space between the Federal Ministry of Health and Ministry of Health words. So block it to the extent you want to increase. Then go to your home tab, then select the other paragraph. You will see this icon. When you place your mouse pointer on it, the name will appear as line and paragraph spacing. So click it. Okay, click the arrow beside it and select the size of spacing you want. Okay, you have 2.5, have 2, have 1.5, 1.15, 1.15, 1.0. So I want 1.5. Okay, if you want 1.2, you take that. You can see that. You can see the space in between this Federal Ministry of Health. You can see it's bigger than the one before, the one I typed before. So that is how to increase your line space. So just block your text, go to home, and on the paragraph, select this and select the size you want to increase your line to. So that is what we call line spacing. Okay, so another thing I want you to understand is inserting a table. I want to insert a table. Okay, let me reduce the zoom. I want to insert a table. So how do I insert a table? Place your cursor where you want it to be. So I want to do two things. There are two ways of inserting a table. Either you insert the table, okay, or you draw the table. So I click on my insert. I can go to my table tab. Then I'll either take the insert table command or I click on the draw table. Now when for me to use this insert table, I have to be sure that the number of columns and rows, okay, I have a specific number of columns and row. Okay, that's when I select this, when I am sure that I have a specific number of columns and row. Okay, let's say I want 5 columns and 3 rows. Okay, which means it's specific. Okay, so I can then select insert table number of columns is 5 and number of row is 3. So let me click on OK. Automatically I have 1 2 3 4 5 columns and 1 2 3 rows, which means it's specific. So I've inserted that. Now for you to use the next command, which is draw a table, in a situation where you don't have a specific number of row and column, you can then draw. So you can go to insert, select go to table and select draw. So you first of all draw the frame, begin to draw the cell inside the frame, okay, the column and the row the way you want it. Remember, it is not specific. All right, it's not specific. Let me take this down. It's not specific. Okay, So I continue, go back to my insert, select my table and click on draw. So you can see what is happening here. You don't have a specific number of columns and row. Okay, you can see. So a situation where the number of columns and row, okay, is not specific, please draw. Okay, you can see that. You can see that. You can see that. You understand? So you can actually draw a table or insert a table. So that's how to get your table into Microsoft Office document. All right, so how do we print then? How do we print? Go click on your file and select print. Then the print dialog box appears. Then here you have your preview button, how it will look when you print it. Come to printer and select the name of the printer. In this situation, I'm going to be using HP DexJet 4510 series. So I click this. I have page 1 to 4. If you want everything to be printed, you can just go straight and select print. So you can increase this to 3, okay, which means each page will print. Page 1 will print 3 copies, page 2 will print 3 copies, page 3, so on and so forth. Okay, so a situation where you have a need for 3 copies of this 4-page document, you have to increase this copies to 3. Okay, if it's 4, increase to 4. Okay, so I need just 1. Let me reduce to 1. What if you don't, let's a situation where you don't need the whole of the pages. Okay, you just need page 1, 3 to 4. So what you need to do in this case, to type 1, comma simply means and, then you say 3 dash means 2. Okay, so if you have like 10, you can just say 10. Okay, situation where you do, which means it will print page 1, skip page 2, print 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 10. You understand? So I just have 4, so I click on 4, then I'll click on print. But if you want to set the printer properties, let's say color, size, you can just click on this printer properties. Okay, I want it to be fast, okay, and economy, so economical. Okay, then I click on print paper and quality. Under advanced, I'll select this paper size. I need A4, so my paper size is A4, so I'm selecting A4. I click on OK. So if I want it to be just black and white, now I have a colored text here, you just want it to be black, you come to this print that is based on the printer I'm using. Okay, this is the interface for this printer. Okay, you click here and select high quality grayscale and click on OK and click on OK, and then finally click on print. So this printer will be printing a black and white document for me, because if you want it to be in color, go back and go back to paper quality and choose off the grayscale. Okay, and click on OK and click on OK and click on print. It will come out on A4 paper and the colored text will still be colored. All right, and you click on print finally. So that is how to run printing. So thank you very much for being part of this Microsoft training. Please click the subscription button, okay, to get more about training tutorials and videos. God bless.